Ba ba oh, ba ba oh, ba ba oh, ba So, in this series, we'll be talking about the story of scales, or the sad story of scales. And I call it sad because most times when you start learning piano lessons, one of the first things they teach you is how to play scales. Sorry. Right? I don't think there's anybody that has learned the piano that didn't learn this within the first month or first week. So basically, they teach us that, but what they don't teach us is how to use scales. They don't teach us how to use it immediately. They don't teach us how to put it in songs. So you really don't understand the nature of scales. You see scales, you know it is scales, but the beauty of applying it is never taught, and it's so easy. So in this series, I'll be introducing you to the real identity of scales. The reason I titled it a sad story of scales is because I think scales are sad. They are unhappy with the fact that when people learn about them, they really don't learn about their true identity. At first, they just teach them the surface, and skills really want to be known, and so it is sad. Don't mind me. Alright, so one of the first things they teach you is this. Alright? So, for when you're playing scales, to me, the most important thing is not the note you're playing, is your hand movement. So if I take that exact hand movement and start from the B note instead of the C, it will sound like this. So basically, the song I just sang, Baba oh, oh, Baba oh, is from Fa. I'm playing Fa first inversion on my right hand to Do second inversion on my right hand. I'm also playing an inversion of Do on my left hand, which is also the second inversion, and I removed first inversion on my right hand, but I removed the middle finger. So then I went to my saw root chord, then to La. But what I did was, when I got to saw, the third chord in the progression, remember it is Fa, number 1, Do, number 2, and I got to the third chord in the progression. I like putting my skills in the third chord of the progression. Then I go to La. So what I did with the saw was, instead of holding chord with my right hand, I ran that scale on top of the chord. So instead of doing this, I did. You see that? You can practice that before you go to your La. But the second time, I didn't start from Do, I started from T. And if you go back to listen, it sounded better because T is in the saw chord. It's T, they are family members. So it will definitely sound better than starting from Do. So do you see that? first one was, and the second one was. So, alright, that is the first episode of the sad story of scales. And basically, what I'll be teaching in this series will be how to apply scales to regular chord progression and how to make your play sound beautiful. And don't forget, I'm using my sustain pedal. In case you don't know how to use a sustain pedal, check the link in the description below and watch out for episode 2.